Fine. Chapter 5, Major Domains of the Earth. As we have already discussed about lithosphere, atmosphere, hydrosphere, and biosphere. Now, we have already discussed about the continent, Asia, Africa, and Europe. Now, let's talk about North America. The third largest continent is North America. As you can see in this, your world map, everyone please open your world map page. So North America is the third largest continent of the world. It links with South America by the very narrow strip of land. Look at here, very narrow strip of land called Isthmus of Panama. Here, called Isthmus of Panama. The continent, this one. The continent lies completely in the northern hemisphere and western hemisphere. As you can see, it is above the whole part of North America is above on the equator. So it is completely lies in northern western hemisphere. The oceans surround continents, like from its west side, it is surrounded by Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean from its west side. From its east side, Atlantic Ocean, and from northeast side, Arctic Ocean. So three sided is surrounded by oceans. If we talk about its latitude and longitudinal degree, so it lies totally, completely in the northern hemisphere. It extends between 7 degree north and 83 degree latitude. As you can see here, 83 degree latitude and 7 degree longitude. From 53 degree, from here touch 53 degree west and 180 degree west longitude, because it completely lies in western hemisphere. North America surrounded by Arctic Ocean in the north, Pacific Ocean in the west, and Atlantic Ocean in the east. In the south, Isthmus of Panama linked it to South America. You can understood through this map. I think you have understood through that map, and try to understand this map. Look at here, the Caribbean Sea, and here is a Isthmus of Panama, which linked it to the South America. South America is the 4th largest continent in the world. South America lies mostly in southern hemisphere. Let's understand through map. As you can see, the most of the part of the South America lies in southern hemisphere. Which two oceans surround it? From its west side, it is surrounded by Pacific Ocean, and from its east side, it is surrounded by Atlantic Ocean. The Andes, world's longest mountain range, run through its length from north to south. You can see over here the Andes mountain in the South America, which runs from north to south. South America has a largest river called Amazon River, not longest. Keep this thing in mind, largest river. Nile in Africa, it is the longest, but it is largest. It is lengthwise, it is widthwise. South America surrounded by Caribbean Sea in the north and Atlantic Ocean in the east and Pacific Ocean in the west. In north, the Isthmus of Panama joined it to North America toward the south, and the continent is very close to Antarctica. Look at here. Now next, let's talk about Australia. Yes, Australia is the smallest continent that lies entirely in the southern hemisphere. As you can see, here is a top equator, and the Australia completely lies in southern hemisphere. It is also known as island continent. Why? Because it is all sides surrounded by ocean. It extends up to 10 degrees south because it totally lies in southern hemisphere, south to 44 degrees south latitude, from about 112 degree east to 154 degree east longitude. Australia lies to southeast of Asia. It's separated from Indonesia. Here is by the Arafura Sea and Torres Straits from New Zealand. It's surrounded, as you can see, it is all side surrounded by seas and ocean. So that is why it is also known as island continent. Next is Antarctica. Antarctica is completely in the southern hemisphere, a huge continent. The South Poles lies almost at the center of Antarctica continent. As it is located in the southern hemisphere, South Pole region, it is permanently covered with a thick ice sheet. As you can see, the white color is here because it permanently covered with thick ice sheets. There is no permanent settlement because of the harsh climatic condition. Many countries have research stations in Antarctica. India also has research stations like the name Maitri and Dakhin Gangotri. As you can see in this map, the Antarctica totally lies in southern hemisphere, and the South Pole is located, lies almost the center of this continent. And due to it is lies the South Pole, totally it is permanently covered with a thick ice sheets. Thick ice sheet. There is no permanent human settlement. Here you can see the Bharti Antarctic Station, research and station of India on this continent. It is new research center, India to place Maitri Research Center to Bharti. I hope it is clear to all. Many country has set up their research center in Antarctica continent.